Used by Woody Allen in his 1973 science fiction comedy Sleeper, this unusual residence now belongs to Larry and Toni Winkler.
We're both from Denver, and this home has been here forever, ever since we were both young. So there was always this great curiosity about the home. And when it came up at the for sale auction, we thought we'd take a stab at it. Lo and behold, it fell right in our lap.
Designed by architect Charles Deaton and listed on the National Register of Historic Places, construction began on the house in 1963. But the interior was never completed. Aside from the movie, the house sat unfinished and neglected for almost 37 years. In 1999, the home was purchased, and an additional 5,000 square feet of living space was added, fulfilling Deaton's original vision. A few owners later, it now belongs to the Winklers. The curved theme of the exterior is seen throughout the house, even on the kitchen cabinets. There's only one straight wall in the entire place, and because of the curved walls in the kitchen, each 1-inch tile had to be applied by hand, one by one. At the base of the UFO house are 2 bright guest rooms, surrounded by walls of windows.
There are 4 bedrooms and a caretaker facility. There are no square feet. There's only round feet. And there's about 7,000 round feet in this house.
The master suite rests on the edge of the saucer. With the sloped ceiling and floor, cantilever legs on the bed and the nightstand make the furniture level, and they wouldn't sit flat in any other room in the world. Even the bathrooms have their own distinctive curved style.
This home has become quite a place to appreciate and enjoy, and we really like it, and it is becoming more and more livable as we spend more time here.
There's so many photographs of events and parties that show this home exactly as it is now furnished, and I struggle with changing it because it seems to me like a big responsibility to own this property since it is on the National Historic Registry.
At night, the living room is the place to be, as it turns into a beautiful kaleidoscope with colors bouncing from the artwork to the wall of windows. Some may call this house a UFO. Some may call it strange. But to Larry and Toni, it's just home.
I think it's more of a marvel than strange.